In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your domain to your Shopify store. Now this is really easy, guys. All you need to do is come here and press on settings, head down to domains, and then in here you wanna either buy a domain or you can connect one if you already bought one. So if you already bought one, you just wanna click on connect existing domain. Once you do this, you wanna type in the domain right here that you wanna connect. Press next, and then there will be a connect automatically button that you just want to press on, and then it might ask you to sign in to the domain provider website. So you're just going to click sign in, and then it's going to connect automatically. Now keep in mind, when you connect like this, it can take up to 24 or 48 hours, I believe, until the domain is successfully connected to your site. But once you've pressed connect and connect automatically, it should be in there. So that is basically how it works, guys. It's super simple and super easy. All you want to do is head into domains, connect, and then just simply connect automatically after you've done that. It might give you a few instructions that you can just follow along, and then you'll be good to go. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.